What if I told you that success isn't just for the ultra-talented, the lucky, or the wealthy? What if you could unlock the exact tools that high achievers use to dominate in their field? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to hand you the step-by-step guide to achieving ultimate success. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Before we get started, if you're serious about leveling up your life, hit that button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on high-performance strategies. Let's dive in. First things first, success isn't about working harder, it's about working intelligently and smarter. And that starts with adopting a fixed mindset. Research from Stanford psychologist Carol Dweck shows that people who believe intelligence and skills can grow with effort are more likely to achieve success. So here's your first tool. Comment below. What's one failure you've learned from? I'll be reading and replying to your stories. Alright, now let's talk about time, your most valuable asset. The problem is, most people are not consistent. Consistency is key. Small steps lead to big changes. Here's the game-changing tool. 80% of your results come from 20% of your work and effort. That means you need to work efficiently. Priority is key. Successful people don't work more hours, they work on the right things. Here's how you can apply this today. Identify the top 20% of activities that drive results. Not sure where to start? Drop a comment below with your biggest challenge and I'll help you out. Let's face it, most New Year's resolutions fail. Why? Because vague goals get lost and then we do not tend to work on them. That's why you need to set achievable and realistic goals. What exactly do you want to achieve? How will you track progress? Can you realistically do this? Does it align with your bigger vision? What's the deadline? Instead of saying, I want to be successful, say, I will increase my income by 20% in 6 months by mastering a new skill and networking with industry leaders. See the difference? If you're getting value so far, hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. Success isn't about what you know, it's about working smarter. Here's the secret tool high achievers use. Most people practice mindlessly, but top performers focus on getting the job done with ease and efficiency. Think of it like training in a gym. If you do the same easy workout every day, you won't grow. But if you challenge yourself to lift heavier or try new exercises, you improve faster. So here's your action step that will skyrocket your success, and dedicate just 30 minutes a day to improving it. Drop your skill in the comments. I want to see what you're working on. Here's a truth bomb. You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So if you're surrounded by negative, unmotivated people, well, that's going to rub off on you. Join communities of high achievers, whether online or in person. LinkedIn groups, mastermind circles, mentorship programs, these are game changers. Here's a quick challenge. Think of one person in your industry who inspires you. Send them a short message asking for advice. You'd be surprised how many successful people are willing to help. And if you want more success-building content, make sure you're subscribed. Let's talk about habits. Did you know that habits are central to your success? Think about it for a second. If you leave things to the last minute, you're going to always struggle and feel intimidated by the task. Think about it. Habits decide your future. Good habits lead to good things. Bad habits will always lead you on a journey of where you do not want to be. The good news, you can reprogram them. Use this framework. The trigger for the habit, the action you take, the benefit that reinforces the habit. Example, if you want to read more, place your book on your pillow, read 10 pages before bed, routine, and track your progress. Start small. Tiny changes create big results. What's one habit you want to build? Comment below. We just unlocked some of the ways that can lead you on that road to success. But remember, knowledge alone does not cut it. Taking action as well. Actions speak louder than words. It is the actions that gets things done. So here's what I want you to do. Pick an action from today's video and commit to using it this week. Then, come back and let me know your results. And if you found this valuable, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, because we've got more coming your way. Success is not automatic. It is generated. By who? By you. You can do this. You got this. Let's make it happen. See you in the next video.